everyone, welcome to Discount Zone, your go-to place for the best Amazon deals. In today's video, we're talking about the top 5 hot-selling kitchen products. But before we jump into the list, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on any amazing Amazon deals and trending products we share every week. In this video, number 1 on our list is the Gravity Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. Just flip it upside down and it grinds fresh salt and pepper easily and quickly. This grinder is battery operated and runs on standard batteries, so you don't have to worry about manual effort. It makes grinding salt and pepper effortless and perfect for everyday use in your kitchen. You can also adjust it by hand to choose how fine or how coarse you want your salt or pepper. Whether you like it smooth or a bit rough, you can set it just the way you need for your cooking. The build quality of this grinder is really good. It feels strong and durable in hand. It's easy to hold, simple to use, and works great in daily cooking, whether you're making breakfast, lunch, or dinner. On number 2, we have the can opener, a must-have tool that makes opening cans quick and easy. It comes with an easy-to-turn knob and a sharp stainless steel blade that cuts through cans smoothly without any mess. It also has an integrated bottle opener, so you can open bottles too, all in one handy tool. At number 3, we have the electric kettle, a fast and easy way to boil water in just a few minutes. It comes with a one-touch operation and an LED light indicator that shows when the water is heating. Simple and user-friendly. Whether it's early morning or late evening, your hot tea is ready when you are. At number 4, we have the blade chopper, an amazing kitchen tool that makes chopping fruits, vegetables, and herbs super easy and fast. It comes with different types of blades, so you can switch them based on what you want to chop. Whether you need to finely chop onions or slice bigger veggies, this chopper handles it all with ease. You can also adjust the blades to get the perfect cut, making your cooking prep quicker and more efficient. Plus, it's designed to be user-friendly, so even if you're new to cooking, this tool will make your life much easier in the kitchen. It's compact, easy to clean, and perfect for anyone who wants to save time and effort while preparing meals. And finally, at number 5, we have the most important and useful product, the oil spray bottle. This is a must-have in every kitchen because it makes cooking so much easier and healthier. What's great about this bottle is that it's a 3-in-1 tool. You can spray, stream, or pour oil depending on what you need for your recipe. It helps you control the amount of oil you use, so you can cook with less oil and keep your meals light and tasty. Plus, it comes in multiple colors to match your kitchen style. It's easy to refill, clean, and perfect for oils, vinegar, or even sauces. Trust me, once you start using this oil sprayer, you'll wonder how you ever cooked without it.